Welcome to Jerry Tales. In a small, peaceful village, surrounded by green fields and tall coconut trees, there lived a middle-class farmer named Raghav. Raghav lived in a small mud house with his wife Meera and their two children, Arjun and little Kavya. Their life was simple. They did not have much money, but their home was always filled with love, laughter, and kindness. Every morning before sunrise, Raghav would walk to his small farm with his tools. He worked very hard under the hot sun to grow crops for his family. Meera also worked hard at home. She cooked food, took care of the children, and sometimes helped Raghav in the fields. Even though their life was not easy, the family always stayed happy together. One year, the village faced a terrible problem. There was very little rain. The crops in many farms began to dry, and farmers started worrying about their future. Raghav's farm was also suffering. The plants were weak, and the soil had become dry. One evening, while returning home from the farm, Raghav noticed something shining on the road. He walked closer and saw a small leather bag lying near a tree. When he opened the bag, he was shocked. The bag was full of gold coins and money. For a moment, Raghav stood silently. This money could change his life. He could repair his house, buy a bigger farm, and give his children a better future. But deep inside, he knew the bag must belong to someone who had lost it. Raghav took the bag home and showed it to Meera. The children looked at the coins with excitement. Arjun said, "Father, we can buy so many things with this." But Meera gently smiled and said, "Raghav, this money belongs to someone else." Raghav nodded. "You are right, Meera," he said. "Keeping it would not be honest." The next morning, Raghav went to the village square and told the villagers about the bag. Soon, a rich trader from a nearby town came running. The trader had lost his bag while traveling through the village. When he saw the bag in Raghav's hands, his face filled with relief. The trader was surprised by Raghav's honesty. He said, "Most people would have kept this money, but you chose honesty." The trader then gave Raghav a small reward and said, "Your honesty deserves respect." With that reward, Raghav was able to buy good seeds and repair his farm. Soon the rains finally arrived. Raghav's crops grew strong and healthy. That year, his farm produced one of the best harvests in the village. One evening, Raghav sat outside his house with Meera and the children. The golden sunset spread across the fields. Arjun asked, "Father, was it difficult to return the bag?" Raghav smiled and replied, "Sometimes honesty is difficult, but it always brings peace and respect." Meera nodded proudly. The children understood an important lesson that day. Moral of the story: honesty and kindness always bring respect and blessings in life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Jerry Tales.